Hey everybody, it's Rafa from fundedtrader.com. It's Friday at last, 2nd of October 2020. So this morning, very early in the night, the news came out about POTUS catching coronavirus. It's very sad news, but not surprisingly, the market tanked a bit. I got on after that though. So as you can see, the profit is going up. It's been a fantastic week. I don't know if I'm just being lucky. I hope not, and I hope next week is gonna go just as well. There's been really high volatility, so it's really easy to get caught on, especially when you're doing well, and overtrade and crunch down on your profits. But luckily I didn't. I guess these videos I'm making, reporting for you, is helping me out as well in behaving myself. It's a good thing about that's why journaling is very helpful for you, for everybody. Anyway, about 50 points of ES and I'll be funded. I still have more than 10 days on the, I'm on the 8th day, 7 are gone. I have 7 more days to reach the target, and I believe every single day has been profitable. Fantastic. Besides for the first day where I took a trade off in 10 seconds and was 1 tick loss or something like that. It's crazy. Okay, I show you what the indicator. So great day with a great potential for great profits. I don't mind if I missed out on the bonanza of today. Actually, Will in the retail fade trading room took a great trade here right after the US Open. He recognized this was an impulsive move. We all knew that 350 was a great level today where price wanted to go possibly, but in the end of the day, market does what it wants, especially on Fridays and news fueled day like this. Anyway, he jumped on the first retracement that he recognized and he made a massive profit. That was too scary for me, so I didn't, and I didn't have any signal from the slope. Look at this is brilliant. I still waited for this to turn around. Every retail trader wanted to short this today, I know. I hope you didn't get hurt. I'm afraid many people did. Didn't have any signal from the slope on the 15 minutes. I had some here on the 5 minutes. I can show you, that's for smaller scalps. So there was a signal very early in the night that was kind of confirmed this late, 1, 2, 3, 4 candle later. Not, you should know that's risky. Even if you did take it, there could have been a 10 points loss. And then you would have, that's a good thing about the indicator, even if you enter long there, and you respect it, you put your stop loss down here, say 12, 13 points. It's nothing compared to losing 60, okay? So later, just before the US European Open, this whole bear move slowed down. And we have a valid signal up here. It's a bit late, it's a bit wide, actually very wide, the stop loss. What I did is I took a small trade here and I took a bit of a profit. And later I just kept watching it, what it was doing. I did see, everybody could say that this was turning around. Everybody could say this was bouncing back up again, close to the roundie. But how many trades do you want to take? The more you take, the more you pay in commissions and the more risk you're putting on yourself, and the more you get tired and all that. So it's really risky. Then went up and then it came down again to close to the roundie, so everybody knew this was a good chance for this to bounce. I didn't take it. I don't care. Gladly, I'm maturing as a trader. So then I just watched it go all the way up. I was hoping for a nice reversal signal here. And I believe it's gonna get there later on, maybe for a nice trade, but I don't care. I just wanna go out. I wanna go to my gym and do some climbing and empty my mind. So this week every day was profitable. I'm up $6,500 in 7 days of trading, 8 days of trading. What more can you ask? Is amazing. That signal from the slope rider was the low of the day. I didn't even want to imagine how many points he could have taken by just respecting that. One day when the account is going to be large, a nice large trading account, then we can make the most of all of this stuff. On the 5 minutes was a nice signal here, was a great signal here, half an hour before the US Open. I mean, nothing that I would trade, perhaps this one earlier on. I'm trying to show you, hello, thank you. So, well, that's a pivot, you know, not a nice place to trade. Perhaps you could have taken a long here on the bounce on the pivot, but I recommend that if you do that and you're far from the indicator, from the signal, use the average of HAL. This is a 50 HAL average as a stop loss to protect your trade. Then later on, but you see, 5 minutes is risky. It's up to you. You can use it to scalp. See, could have taken this nice bounce. This was a good level, 3352, because it closed the overnight gap. If you don't know what I'm talking about with the gap, that's what Will teaches in his tutorials in his trading room. On his websites, there are a lot of training material. This one is still a valid signal. I mean, did validate it here, still good. Didn't get stopped out. Perhaps, yeah, anyway. You don't need to take every trade, every signal. I think really sticking to what we do best, I do best, with the 15-minute chart on the ES. I need a faster computer. I mean, what more do you want than this? The low for the day, that was a valid signal early in the day. Suppose you took it around here, 320, 30 points profit. That's with one contract is $1,500. Alright, you take care. It was a great week. I'm glad. Subscribed for the videos. Keep an eye, so I'm gonna see the updates on the indicator when it's eventually released. You take care. Ciao ciao.